Hi, it's me, Angelique, and it is day 14 of 24 Days of Laughter. And today I want to do exhausted laughter. Oh, let's do a birthday candle breath today. Deep breath in and blow it out. And in and out. And in all your might. Great job. See you tomorrow. Keep smiling.